Hey everybody, Chris here from Small Addictions RC. Last week we introduced you to our community model build project where every employee here is going to be working on a step of building this 1966 Chevy Chevelle SS model from AMT. And this week my step was to build the chassis. So I basically used some Chevelle flat black spray paint to paint the whole chassis after I assembled it, and then I went through with some various paints from Testers and AK to do a little bit of detail work on it. I chose to use the AK turquoise paint for the interior color because that's a factory color for a 66 Chevelle, and I thought it looked unique. I also used some AK streaking grime to kind of give it a little weathered effect. This is an old car, and last week Eric started the project by making the motor a little rusty and putting some grime on it. So I figured it's not a brand new car, so we'll make it look like it's been used a little. I also did the AK streaking and grime effects on the bottom to make it look like the car's been run in not showroom condition. So tune in next week and we'll have the third installment ready to go.